You excited, Owen?
Yeah. First time experience.
Yeah, never
Nothing
forget
better.
it. It's going to be a lot funner than those 5-gallon buckets in that basement, I promise you that.
I don't know, that basement got me some good muscle.
Well, okay. Well, I got some stuff in line for you then. Save some back for later, Dave.
Yeah, here, hand that shoulder to Owen.
Must be where he parks.
Yeah, he just left in his Subaru.
Oh, really?
You want me to take it with me?
Yeah, take that with you. And there's one in the middle drawer of the toolbox. It's like the top middle drawer. Or no, it's the one on the right. It's the top right drawer. And get the other one that's in there and bring it back. Put some pep in that step.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, Owen. You ain't back yet?
No, what about that?
Yep. Is that the other one?
No.
That's the other one? This is the other one? Or is this the same one?
It's the same one, but it was the...
No, I needed the other one of those.
Oh, the other one of those?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, go get the other one of those.
Get my boot of gravel.
That happens. What'd you call it again, though?
A run along?
A run-along?
Yeah. I need those right there.
Nope.
Come along.
Come along. Yep, you're about to learn what all this is right here because we need half of it to pour.
Alright. Now I gotta wash it all.
You got to keep it clean, not just wash it.
I'm like the concrete dishwasher.
Pretty much.
Get the hell out of the way, tree branch.
Move it. Hey, grab you a run along. How's it going? Just get straightened up and I'm gonna just go ahead and back you in the driveway.
Okay. That's on my ticket.
Yep. How's it going?
Not bad.
How old's that dog you got?
He just turned 5.
Oh, he's that old, huh?
Yeah.
He still looks like a puppy.
I know.
Yeah, we've always had Rottweilers.
They're such good dogs.
Yeah, we love them.
I'll never have another.
Same with us. Is it leaking?
Got a spot.
Go ahead and fill it up to, can you even see it?
I have to wear mine. Put those on. Hurry up and get them out of the way.
What, those other ones don't fit? And then you got to pull this steel up too. Always got to pull that steel up. Jason, I mean, if you don't have boots right now, Owen can really give you your boots.
I'll be fine. It's not the first time I've done it.
That's craziness.
Here. He's like, where'd you get the
Now, hey, once you get concrete on your boots, you can't walk on good concrete.
Yeah, yeah, you're good right now, but remember that one next time. Go for it.
Show me it.
No, just be ready for that next one. And you want to wiggle it in, and don't ever do that again, okay? When you get up to this, you gotta be mindful of how you're doing it. Okay, buddy? Yeah, you're doing a good job. Yeah, you really want to pay, because that blue line is really important. We even want to see that when we're finishing, you know? Come over here. You over this way. Now you gotta walk out. You gotta be sure to walk out. Okay, so hey, he's gonna come over here. So all we're gonna do, hey, stand right here. Back up. Now he comes in here. Lock it. Good. Nope, man.
I'll tell you what, let half of it go and then hold up. Perfect.
One more. Dixie. Yeah, I reckon it's turn burn time, right? I'll take that 6-foot old and stick it right here, Mike.
I got it.
What happened? Oh, it broke. So, the purpose of these grooves is to control the crack. So we call these control joints. If we just were to leave this thing here with no grooves in it,
It would just crack everywhere.
exactly, it's just gonna crack. You know?
How it has those individual little grooves.
Yep. Give you a nice little spot to break it.
So then it breaks evenly.
Yeah, so it helps it look good aesthetically, and then the rebar helps it stay together. So where it does crack, that steel we put in there doesn't let it spread apart. I need one more of these gold poles. So this is number 2 for you on breaking this, huh?
Yeah.
You're on a roll.
Did he break it once before already?
Yeah.
At the.
I'm gonna show you how to start it whenever we're done, because if you don't pull it up and get it on the compression stroke, whenever you pull it, if it does, it's gonna rip that cord right out of your hand. And when it does that, it sucks that thing down in there and it snaps the cord off. So buddy, we're gonna start a different job tomorrow, and I think that I might end up having you and Dave come over here and pull all these forms off. I think by the time we get done, we'll see where we're at today whenever we get done, because it's 1:30 now, so by the time we're done finishing, I'm sure we're gonna be ready to get out of here. And then tomorrow I'll probably have you and Dave come over here and strip all these forms, and then probably do a little bit of dirt work, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that thing's gonna be so nice using that. Owen, that thing's dirty. You need to get your get this bucket of water here, and
This?
yeah, that, just take the end off of it, the bull float itself. And now, Owen, this is you're going to be your friend right here. This is what,
brush?
yeah, this is what you're going to use for your teeth and your armpits and all the tools.
I mean, theoretically, I could use that.
Hey, I think this room is gonna be
How's Owen doing back there?
Oh, he's doing good.
Oh yeah, he's got it.
When you walk in, you hit the big open area, and you walk in, and the steps are over here to the left. And our door was right in front of the steps. And everybody who lived upstairs knew us as, you know, the guys out there down. Nobody ever said anything. It was so cool. All of our neighbors were so cool.
Ow! What? 10.
You've been pretty accurate because I did the retard mistake and I didn't get knee pads.
Oh, you don't need those yet?
No, you're good. You're in the grass. Your knees will be wet, but
I got wet knees now.
that's all right.
Yeah.
Big all day.
Yeah. No.
Hey, you got to watch your mouth in these neighborhoods, boy. You hear what he said? He goes, I look like I've been.
Easy, buddy. Easy. There's kids around. There was a Durban gang. There was a gang, like not like the Jesse James gang, because they weren't famous, but there was a little gang. That's how.
I know some Durbans. One of them works for Zoner. You getting wore down yet, Owen? You You getting tired yet? Wore down?
Hey,
What's wrong with it?
that bit hurt.
It's-
One of y'all just want to donkey kick me right here. Right
You just
here.
need to stretch tonight when you get
It's
home.
because you're not used to doing this much manual labor, dude. You did real good on the basement floor thing. You know, you held up there pretty good. But like I told you that day, that, even though it sucked, is easy compared to doing concrete.
Yeah, like that was telling me, most days we don't get lunches.